Hello guys, today I have the Yamaha Earbuds and I'm going to show you how to enable the bass boost in your earbuds. At first you need to have an application. The application is called the Yamaha. Application is called Headphone Control, pardon me. If you want to know how to install this application, check our channel, we have a video for that. So once we are here in the app, we need to tap Equalizer. And we don't have, as you can see, the bass boost preset. We do have energy, gentle, vocal, groove, or openness. As you can see, you need to just select the one that has your bass boosted. So the best for the bass boost, I think it's here gentle. But if you want to, boost your bass by yourself, just tap, for example, one of these presets. As you can see, user 1 or user 2. I'd rather use user 2. And here, go to this first options, actually, which are the bass, because this is the lower frequency, this is the higher frequency. Go to the lower ones, and here, just adjust the bass boost up to your own needs. Tap Save to User Preset, under the preset, save. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.